What's up, my plant lovers? Oh my gosh, I'm sitting here smelling this butterfly bush and its final flowers of the season. Butterfly bush, it's one of my favorites. It reminds me, when I was younger, we'd always go to a greenhouse during the winter months, and whenever we would go there with my father, he would always cut off butterfly bush flowers for us to bring home with us, and the flowers just smell so absolutely divine. So every time I take a whiff, it reminds me, driving in our truck together, smelling these wonderful kind of vanilla scented flowers. It's definitely the reason why I grow butterfly bush. And as we start to transition into autumn, there's one little practice that we need to do with our butterfly bush to prepare them for the winter season ahead of us. All right, it's very easy, and all it involves is cutting off the old flowers. Now, in this day and age, many of us don't need to worry about our butterfly bush being invasive because we're all growing special cultivars that have been bred with sterile flowers, basically meaning that they're not going to set seed that are then going to disperse in the air and populate invasively in your garden and your surrounding areas. If you do happen to have like one of the species that does do that, well then you should consider about taking that out of your garden and replacing it with one of these sterile cultivars. Right here I have growing Queen of the Hearts Monarch, something like that, butterfly bush. And this has been beautiful, providing these gorgeous like magenta flowers absolutely for the last 4 months. Check out this gorgeous flower color. Check out this gorgeous color. How beautiful is that? These have been blooming for the last 4 months. And there's a few on here. Now there are a few flowers remaining, and we'll let those remain looking gorgeous on our plants for now. But the rest of them need to go. We're not gonna worry about any heavy pruning in the fall. That takes place in the spring, so stay around. And next spring, I will show you guys how to prune these in the springtime. But for now, we're just gonna do a little bit of fall cleanup, and what that involves is just taking our clean, sharp shears and removing all of those old flowers. You can do it as quickly as possible. So we'll just cut right below those flowers. All you need to do is just cut right below that flower. If you take 2 of the leaves off at the same time, that's a-okay. Now, if you're a very vigilant gardener, you should honestly be doing that all summer long as the flowers finish, but I have such a big garden on my hands to take care of. I just wait and try to do it all at once at the end of the summer, early fall. And along with adding a little bit of mulch, which you can see I have already placed about a 2-inch thick layer of mulch around my shrub. That is literally all the fall cleanup, all the fall care that we need to do to prepare our butterfly bush, our Buddleias, for their winter dormancy. All right, it's really easy. They're low-key shrubs that don't require very much effort, but the nice cultivars will bless us with gorgeous, fragrant flowers for months all summer long. Just need to do a little bit of tidying, cleaning up in the fall, and then some pruning in the spring. So stay with me, and I'll revisit this shrub in the springtime when it is ready to be pruned. All right, thanks guys for joining me on Plant Vibrations. If you do enjoy the videos, make sure you're subscribing. Click that little bell for notifications because I'm often going live these days. And if you want to see the live while they're actually happening, you really need to click that little bell, receive the notifications, and then you'll get a little ding saying that I am going live. All right, thanks gardeners. I'll catch you soon. Ciao.